Yo. What up? What up? What up? I just saw something funny. Saw something hilarious, chat. Sorry. I was having too much fun. Oh, I forgot I even had these other fucking accounts. Oh. Let's fuck around with these, shall we? Let's fuck around and find out with these. Ugh, gross. All right, who's out here? Who's out here? I'm just looking at everything. I forgot I had these fucking Take Profit Trader evaluations, these test accounts. So we're going to fuck with these. I feel like I kind of missed a move, though. I want to blow. I figured might as well blow these for the stream. That's probably why I didn't trade them. Let's blow them for the stream. I want to be done with fucking the 25Ks forever. It's obvious that it doesn't. It's obvious that I have no business trading them. Who's out here? I thought $1,500 a drawdown would be enough for me. I trade Susan Brennan, Keegan Murphy, Just Ain't Right, Mwah, Bowser, on profit. Well, Wiz, don't say that about you. Don't say that about yourself. Marcine, Hotshot. Get rid of the UN. So it just says profitable Wiz. Armando, NJ, GB, Dimitri. Yeah. Wait, don't worry. Wait till you see what I did. Nayo, JC, Marco, Canute. Marco, that was a funny screenshot, bro. No skills. Marcos, MAGA Musketeer, reporting in for degeneracy, sir. Reporting for duty. Alex A, what up? Stock Cars and Bets. V33, just my style. Yeah. He's the GOAT. They call him Dagota. Crash or bounce to the stream? I don't know, man. I don't know. Who the fuck knows? Here's something interesting about gold, though. You see this fucking dash line and this one? I drew these. I don't even remember when I drew these. And look where we hit. We came all the way down there. Also, remember what I was talking about with gold and the 707. Apparently, the 707 held. So forget about this wick that goes over it. At the 707, we have dropped from that line, the 707, 47.21. Holy fuck. $226 points. Now, if you add the wick here, 756 to 493, we're talking 263 points or 262 points or some shit like that off of this 707 rejection. Just saying, that's on a larger time frame, so like a lot of shit could play out during, between all of that, but I guess Jackson's whole butthole was a little rashy. Today was Jackson's butthole, or was there something else today? July, August 28th. Oh, we had all this shit. Fed Chairman Wash. He fucked the whole thing up. University of Michigan, Jackson Hole, day 2. All this shit. Everything fucking dropped. Look at that. What a dump. 800. We're back in the same spot. I just don't know what we're going to do right here. Nayo. I'm sad you didn't blow any eval today. Well, you still got a chance. Catboy, what up? You still got a chance. Oh, they're going to come out with a vaccine for the diarrhea parasite? Can't wait. What happened to Justin Werlein? The last time we saw, he was, lying about everything and then came out and admitted to it. But you just created this account just to say that, so I don't know. Are you just here to talk about what happened to Justin? Is it like are you like promoting him or something? I'll give you a chance to explain yourself before I kick you the fuck out of here. Destined cream for his hole. Dimitri, yeah. It's all by design. He got sued and needs to repay everything? What, for being full of shit? What up, Newts? What happened with him? Didn't something happen with him a couple of months ago? Trending World, what up? Should you order sushi? If it's good. I love sushi. Hey, Jonas. You know what I mean? I don't know where you live. If you got good, if there's a good spot by your house, by all means, go get some fucking sushi. I love sushi. Unfortunately and fortunately for me, like the sushi by my house, it's always like that because we're in Vegas. Falsely saying he was profitable to sell a course. Yep. Who the fuck is TBS? Jose Carlos, it's not who the fuck is TBS, it's what the fuck is TBS. Yeah, and go, yeah, fuck yeah, get some. I get the chef special rolls. But all the good sushi is on the strip. There's no all the sushi off the strip is okay at best. It's kind of annoying. I haven't found like a spot where like, oh my God, this is so fucking good. And I don't have to go to the strip to get it. Unless I go to like a casino off the strip, there's a place called Blue Ribbon Sushi that's in Red Rock and the Green Valley casinos. That's the sushi. But again, you gotta park and walk through the fucking casino to get to it. Maybe I don't want to fucking do that all the time. Eric J. Thank you, Newts. Tightened Butthole Syndrome, which is something I thought I was done with. But here we are, 2 days, twice in a fucking row, where I could have clinched a fucking $3,000 payout with my Tradeify account. I hit the daily loss limit. And it started last night. I should have not have fucking touched it. But what's crazy is I got, actually trading gold, I got myself within a few $100. I was down like 1,400 today. And then I was only down like 270. And then I got caught in this fucking shit, right here. This bullshit right here. Right here. What time is that? 9:24. 924. So I still have the account, right? I still have the account. I got $1,630 of drawdown, not the best. But now I have to get $2,427. That amount to fucking get a payout. But whatever. It's just fucking annoying because that would have pushed me to 12,000 on the month plus, a little more than 12,000 on the month. And all I needed to do was get $300. How hard can it be? So 2 days this week, I hit the daily loss limit on the same account and lost a combined total of what, $4,200? Granted, I got 1,800, 1,900 of it back, but it's just fucking, why? The fuck? What the fuck? So what did I do right after that? I knew it was going to fucking happen. I knew this was going to happen. I fucking knew it. So what do? I go log into, well, I'm already logged into my MyFund. As I knew my account was about to blow, I logged into my MyFund the Futures account, and I took this motherfucker, this funded rapid account, up $3,474. And now I have $5,336, which means I can request $3,200 today. So I get to request more. Would have been awesome if I could do that request on both accounts, but hey. And the funny thing is, I had 2 other evals. I passed one and started trading it, and I was fucking green in the account, and then I got shaken out of a trade, and I thought I was going back in long, and it popped, but I didn't realize I was in short, and I fucking lost so much money on that, and I couldn't recover, and I blew the account, and I blew the other eval. But hey, I'm fucking taking $3,200. Let's see, 53.36 minus 2,100. I'm taking $3,236 from this fucking account from MyFund the Futures. 32.36 times 0.9. It's a 90-10 split, right? 2,912. That'll put me over 12,000 for the month. I'll get the money today. But it's just fucking annoying. It's just fucking annoying. Now, would this have happened if I took this fucking payout? If I didn't fuck this up? Probably not. But whatever. It is what it is. Thank you, No Skills. Ma Barley. Josh. Enough to pay for some accounts. What about you? How much you making? I'm not the type that's going to brag about shit like that. I try to focus on my trading. Bacon. Yes, sir. Yeah, bro, it was fucking crazy. You're up. Hey, that's okay. $61 is better than being down. Yeah, No Skills, it is. And I'm profitable. You know, another month of being profitable. So that's the most important thing for me. Fallacy, what up? TBS goes perfect with Jackson Hole theme. Yeah. Don't worry, Jackson fucking made my loosened up my butthole. Sean, what up? Bro, yeah, I'm on the same boat as you. Fortunately, you know what's fucking funny? Look what happened. It's the same shit every time. I think I need to I don't want to be like, I'll let other people do that. There's other people creating indicators left and right because they have access to Claude and all that shit. I just want to make one indicator. And it's the indicator that will fucking let everybody know who's using it when I get fucking fucked like this, bottom ticked or top ticked, because it happens so often. That's the only indicator I want to fucking make. The ZERODAYJay fucking bottom and top tick king fucking indicator. I got to figure out how to make that happen. Where it knows that I just got fucked and it tells everybody. Time to go long, right? Or time to go short. So anyway, you know, I was trading gold a little bit today, and that was fun. Gold is fucking crazy. Here's the thing about gold. Look, it hit this fucking level, which is almost a 707, with this being the low and the high, this last high. I mean, and we bounced right off of that shit, guys. This line has been here. I didn't just draw this magically. It's been here. This fucking line right here. It was probably an area of support or a zone or something or resistance. I don't even fucking know. But look, right? Like, you can't make this shit up. Anyway, let's bank. Pika na Sharika. Yeah, yeah, JC, I don't blame you for not fucking with it. If you hit your 5th day with Lucid and you met all the requirements on the account and you're eligible for a payout, yeah. Well, yeah, like 20 after. It's like 5:20 to 5:40 around that time, PM East, like 40 minutes after the market closes, you should be able to. Yeah, exactly. I'm telling you, Alfred, how many fucking times have you seen it happen? To me, specifically. Stock cars and bets. Ash, what up? How dare you call it gambling? Exactly. Bro, and I got a little more after that. It's at 3,474 on the day. Amazing. I gotta trade these fuckers. I'm worried about this area right here. Like for some resistance. What a dump, though. Cranny, what up? Messi, what up? You're short 50 cents for the consistency on your builder account to get a payout. Is it okay? Yeah. Yeah, they're not sticklers. They'll give you a little bit of room. It wasn't Bowser. I mean, not a bad call. He had a higher low right here. It retested the low a day and fucking bounced off of it. I don't like this area right here. But I could be wrong. I've already been wrong once today. Oh, and look, here's a 707 already rejecting off of that. Yeah, I mean, you're gonna have to set up like your payout method. It's plaid if you're in the United States. Anywhere else, it's work market or woke market. Yeah, yeah, they are good accounts. Carlos, yeah. You know how I adapted? I was right, just at the wrong time. So I took my rightness and fucking took it for $3,474. That's all. One door shuts, one door closes, another one opens. That's all. That's how this shit works. 200-point candle at the way this shit's been the way this shit is lately, maybe. You never know. Oh, where's my kitty cat? Where's my kitty cat? What song is that? Melly, what's up? What song is that? These nuts. Where are we on the NQ? Let's expand this here. That's interesting. Let's go here. What a fucking dump. That's the hourly chart. That's the 15-minute. You got this pivot point is holding support here. But if I move this if I find a new low, find this, like, look at this low. There's a 707, and we retested it. You know, it's all arbitrary. Yikes, the 707's holding here. Look at that one candle. Fucking 15-point candle, 17-point candle. What's going on here? House to vote on stopgap bill Tuesday. Barclays and SocGen forecast Fed rate hikes in September and December. Defense Secretary may again invite hundreds of senior military personnel to the U.S. for a speech. U.S. Baker Hughes oil rig count actual. Yemeni drones targeted a Saudi-backed mercenary base in Al-Mukka. Fed's Goolsby. My name is corny. I don't think Fed and Treasury are at cross purposes. I want to say I was losing patience on inflation. I was okay with holding rates steady at July. FOMC. Trump, our naval blockade is being helped by space. Strong U.S. mortgage insurer results reflect strong credit performance. Blah, blah, blah. Is that the right spot? Oh, that's not the right spot. You see, guys? We got orders to go short right there and there if it gets up there. What's gold looking like? We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens, chat. Umar, what up? Let's bank, guys. Hey, guys, are we going to bank? BLM activists are currently protesting over a Halloween clown costume at Target. Oh, shit. Oh, look, this fucking spot right here. It's holding. Why? Like, why? I got to change this 50% off take profit trader shit. Hang on a sec. I got to do it right now. Right now! Right now! It's 40% off. Not 50. I'm sorry, chat. Sorry, chat. Don't worry. We still could bank. We still have a chance to bank today. All right? We still have a chance to bank. You know what I'm saying, chat? Oh, this shit is holding. Wondering Woods. Pawn, what up? Finally broke your Apex payout drought today. Yes, sir. Great job. Yeah. What else is new? Choppy ass market. A lot of cuck. However, we got, it just looks like a fucking bear flag right here. Same thing with gold. We were flagging here and it fucking broke out of it. You see? Cuck, and then drop lower. Anyway, what the fuck? You know what's annoying about My Fund the Futures? There's no fucking lockout button. I can't lock myself out of this shit. I have to just be a big boy and not touch it. But gold looks awfully tempting just knowing that we had this, we have this fucking spot that we bounced off of. Look, it came right up to this fucking wick and rejected. 20 points so far. No banking in this cuck zone, NJ. You see, guys? Vincenzo. Yo, did you get into the Discord? We're almost at the 618 on this expanded fib that I just made bigger. I made more gooder. But right here, where I had it originally, the 707 is holding. The last time we came to the 707, we dropped fucking 65 points, 64 points. And this was a 786 rejection for what? 90 points, 89 points. Watch this. Guys. Just about. We wicked over it, right? By a few points and then fucking cucked our way down. Gold is, I mean, we're approaching resistance here we're approaching the bottom of the previous cuck zone we dropped out of in that bear flag. Doesn't mean it won't keep going up, but I don't fucking know. I don't know where I want to try to bank yet. I got these orders here. Maybe we could bank here, but I feel like I may have missed it. Nice job, Carlos. Nice job. Yeah, I mean, did I fuck up accounts today? Yeah, but I'm getting money. I'm about to get $3,200, $3,236. 32.36 times. I'm pretty sure the profit split is 90% on the rapids. Let's see. Rapid EO day bestseller. Yeah, of course, it's the bestseller. Trading rules. 90-10 split. So $2,912 to make them holla. Thank you. Come again. The math is green. The math is green. Again, you know what I mean? I just, yeah, that's great. If I had a fresh slate with Apex, would I buy 20 accounts? Probably not. I don't know. Knowing that I could get pushed live, you know what I mean? I don't know. Still the same spot. 618 now. I think we're going to get higher. It's basically going to retest this fucking 786 here. And then, I don't know, we might push through it. We might push through this shit, but whatever. We'll find out. I don't know if I'd buy 20. I don't think they're ever going to let anyone run that shit up. I would be shocked. I just feel like at this point with any firm, they're not going to let you take that type of a payout. They will push you live before they let someone do that. that's what I mean, I could be wrong. But at the end of the day, MAGA Musketeer, Here's something that's a fact. Oh my god, how many points? Oh my god, it couldn't give me it couldn't come up 3 more fucking points and fill me. Here's something I know that's a fact. I can never trade in sim with Apex again, so it doesn't even matter for me. You know what I mean? All I could do is trade second chance to live, and I'm still waiting for my link. And it's been over a month. What up, Drew? So I can't, you know what I'm saying? I'm not saying you can't run up and not you can't run up. You can't have a 20 accounts and get paid. It's just I don't know. The legacies are very fucking appealing. But I'd rather get 20 of those fucking $49 all in intraday 50Ks. $49 all in. I just don't know if I have I don't think I I'm not I don't know like I don't want to say I can't do it. I just don't think it's realistic for me to even bother trying to do it. I did take 6 legacy accounts for 6 payouts, but I blew them. You see, guys? Actually, it was 513.75, Bowser. You were wrong. It wasn't 515. Drew, Corey, did I full port? Yeah, it's sometimes. A lot of times because I had to add. But what's full porting? It's only 3 minis. 3 minis is like a normal trade for me a lot of the time. Why couldn't this fucking fill me? Why couldn't it fucking fill me? Carlos, you still have time if you want to try to get it in. Or whatever. You didn't trade all your accounts. It is what it is. But this is nice. This fucking sucks. We shall see. I mean, we're up. We went up like 50 points from when I, right after I got on. Clinvale. Am I sending PW? No. Of course not. Damn, I wish I got fucking filled here. Are you fucking kidding me? I would love 20 points. D-Money sent them $499. When am I making the Fibs video? I don't know. I will eventually. I just don't know exactly when. It's on my to-do list. But I literally make a Fibs video every day that I fucking stream, if you think about it. I don't really say anything different than I would in that video. Although I might approach it differently. Bowser. Chris Daly, what up? Yeah, I'm gonna make a course on how to trade the fibs. I'll make a tan line course too. I'll give it away. I'll make that instead of it being $6,500, maybe I'll just make it $65. Learn everything about trading tan lines for $65 instead of $6,500. I'll put like, you know how people, you know how they put on the marketing pages like the price and they cross it out and then they put the actual price. I'll say 6,500 and then I'll fucking cross it out and say $65. Yeah, 67. But I want to make it like, you know. Oh, the book I was writing, How to Guess Your Way to Habitual Payouts, a memoir. Yeah, I got sidetracked. And then I bought this book on how to overcome procrastination, but I haven't gotten around to reading it. Oh my God. Tyson, what up? No one gets less cursing. Yeah, there will be less cursing. There won't be any cursing for sure. Chris. Yo, join the club. You know how many people don't get notifications that I'm streaming? Discord members get exclusive discount. Exactly. I'll just make you guys promise to use my code all of the time because it's the best code anyway. Damn, I'm literally, look at that. Talk about being right and still getting fucked. 3 points. 3 points. It's dropped fucking 40. Procrastinate these nuts. What a fucking nice little happy little drop. I'm so annoyed because I fucking had it. 40 points. That would have been $800 to make him holla. Yeah, Bowser. I hope you didn't have your take profit at 515. I hope you locked in gains. 67% off with code ZERODAYJAY. How much? Let's see. 6,500 minus $65. 64.35 divided by 6,500. You would get a 99% discount to learn how to trade with tan lines. I'm doing it. Oh, you closed at the failure? All right, smart. Holy Earth, which was what, around here, right? Where it finally said, fuck it, it ain't happening. Somewhere around here. Holy Earth. How much time? Now, I'm going to put an order down here just for fucking shits and giggles. Actually, I'm going to put it right. I like that right there. You see this? But I like this more. It might not get down there. You motherfucker. Let me draw a happy little Fibonacci here. From this high up here. There's my high anchor. Here's my low anchor. That's just below the 786. We might not get there. I'll put an order here too. We'll see. I don't know if it's going to get up there. It might come up here and take me out. Yeah, I could see that fucking happening. I could see that fucking scumbag type of shit happening. I could see it. Oh. I didn't even get a chance to fucking move it down. Uh-oh. I was trying to move my order up. I got filled before I could fucking let go. You see, guys? Hey, guys, you see? Hey, are we banking or what? I hope you guys are banking right now. No matter what, I'm banking. No matter what, I banked. MOC. Yo, that's crazy, bro. Yo, isn't it fucked up, Bowser? How it had. Yo, you were right there. You were just a couple of points away from your take profit, but it had to fucking drop 40 points first and then shoot up 3 candles later. You know what I'm saying? You know how fucking annoying that is? Yeah, MOC. But it could have went the other way. It could have dropped. It's amazing. It's so fucking funny. I want this. I hope it comes up there. I was trying to move the other one I got filled in, but we banked. We banked. Nice stock cars and bets. Fuck yeah. MOC squirt. That was a crazy pop. Oh. I wish I was still in. Where did I get taken out? 950. Let's see how low it goes. Let's zoom in a little bit. What's gold doing? Oh, is gold going to make new lows? Let's fuck around and find out. Because I don't even care about these two accounts, to be honest with you. They're fucking dead to me. Oh, we're not going to find out. It's not going to fill me. Sigma Centauri, what up? Hey, guys. Hey, guys, did you know that Apex brought back the legacy accounts again? Yo, MAGA Musketeer, are you still here? If you're still here, I replied to your comment on my video about I posted a short the other day giving my honest thoughts about I'll post a link in the chat about my experience trading live with prop firms versus trading with sim. And I say, and I still stand with, I've been saying it, and I stand by it. Yeah, Dimitri, I mean, that's not Apex's fault. That's our fault. But I made sim funded versus live with prop firms. What's up, Tech Review? It was an interesting short. Tim Morgan, what's good? And then Crank, what up, man? No, I'm just focusing on that right now. Oh my God, look how much lower it went. I'm so glad I got those 5 fucking points and went down another fucking 25. Maybe I'll get filled down here. GCTA. Yeah. 100%. There's so many reasons why. You know how many times I got chased out of fucking trades because I was trailing tight in green. And it's like, oh, look, in order. Let me fucking take it out because, it does that. Felix, what's up? Nate, what up? Nice job. The trick, the scary part about scalping with leverage, if it goes against you, you could be, you only have X amount of trades you could lose. I can't believe this shit dropped. I got taken out here, but we banked. I got 7 points, and it went down from 09. It went down 28 points, but it's the same shit. The same thing always happens with me. So whatever. And this is just misfilling me, of course. Why am I fucking with gold? How much time we got? Oh, 20 seconds. I wonder if this comes. Uh-oh. Yeah. Come and fill me down here, and then we fucking bounce. Let's fucking bank. Let's try to bank right now. Yeah, Oliver, thank you, man. But Nate, I'm with you because I'm the same way. I scalp. I'm a scalper. You fuck, man. I wanted it to come lower. But we did bank. We did bank. After not, well, we did okay yesterday too. I just fucking blew my take profit trader funded accounts on the stream. First time I did anything really bad on a stream in like over a week. And then, but today, so far, we're fucking green. We didn't lose yet. But this would have been a really nice trade if I fucking held for the other 20 points. 30 points. Bowser, those bastards. But GCTA, yeah, I agree with you, man. Sim is so much, and you have more leverage. And if you're still in sim, this is one of the other things I talked about. If you're still in sim and you blow your fucking funded account, you could go get a new one right away. That is not the case almost every single time you're trading live with a prop firm. I had a fucking 3-week cooling off period with my fund of futures. I'm on my second 2-week cooling off period with Lucid. Apex, it's been almost 6 weeks, and with no end in sight in terms of when I could fucking trade the second chance to live account. Day trade, trade day. I had to say pretty please. No, but they determine if they want. A lot of times with trade day, they won't let you, but they let me because they knew that I was going to give back some of my gains. They just knew. What up, P? Black Magic. That's cool. Tommy, what's good? I don't trust this shit. Where's gold at? Yeah, I miss getting filled by like 8 ticks. It came down and almost filled that order that I canceled. Now you could get that dream forklift job. Yeah, Black Magic. They don't, bro, exactly. They don't like that degen shit. They'd rather just part ways with you. Because you know what? You probably were like, you became a liability. Man, we're still just cucking around. Oh, GCTA, bro. If I could go on that type of run again, that's what my mom also said. That's fun. Yo, GCTA, man. See, I want to go on. August may suck my nuts. I want to go on that. I want to go on that run, but I want to like just. My goal is to get to that place and stay in that place. Let that be the floor. Yo, Cut, man. Yo, shout out to Cut. This dude fucking got like, what you at this week? Like $19,000 in payouts in one fucking week. He learned how to trade. He took my tan line course that I promised I wouldn't charge $6,500 for. Yo. Yeah, fucking crazy. That's a crazy week. Bro, you did more in 1 week than I did all month. Think about that. You did more in 1 week than most people will do in, 6 weeks, 6 months of working at a regular job. Yo, it's free. I taught him everything he knows. If it wasn't for me, I got to take credit for it somehow, right? But I mean, here's the thing though. He hangs out in my Discord. So, there's people in the Discord that get fucking paid. A lot of people. He's just one of them. A lot of fucking really good traders in there. He's big on AS. What up, man? He's big on and correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know if you're still here, bro. He's big on V scam bounces. He likes the V scam bounce. So I guess all he does is just wait for that, and he just fucking rides that shit for a lot of points with smaller size. Because he just believes he read the white paper and he believes in the project. You know what I'm saying? Anthony Jr., what up? Black Magic's trying you want to rizz her up? Yeah. I'm sure that's why a lot of other dudes bought her course. They were thinking they would get they would be able to go out on a date with her. Clinvale, Cut. Talking about Cut. Nice job, Tommy. But yeah, we could all get there. But it's all relative. Like I said, there's levels to this shit. I'm happy with how my month is ending. I'm going to end up with over 12,000 in payouts. But I know I could have gotten a lot more because of some of the shit I've done. I could have been at maybe 15 or 20. But it doesn't matter. I'm profitable. All that matters is, you get to a point where you're profitable. It's hard. It's awesome seeing shit like that because it's great. It's just your mind has to be in the right place to like receive somebody else's winning. You know what I mean? Some people see it and they get fucking jealous and they're fucking they because of what they're going through, they can't accept it. Like they can't see it as motivation. They see it as, oh, this fucking guy, whatever, you just don't want to compare yourself to anybody. And like someone in my position, it would be easy for me to get fucking a little uptight about other people winning because they're doing better than me. Because I'm the guy, I'm ZERODAYJay. I don't care. I fucking love it. I love it. Exactly. Tommy, are you monetizable? Kenny, what up? Yup. Yeah. See, cut. Yeah. And you basically, I don't know what else you've done. I don't know what else you're looking for, but you might have just any of the other bullshit that you might have gotten caught up in. You don't fuck with as much. Clearly, you're only waiting for your fucking optimal fucking setup. They keep rejecting you. That's interesting. Yeah, Tommy, I don't even have my shit turned on hardly anywhere. But I get it. Why do they keep rejecting? What are they telling you? Yeah, Cut is on a fucking, yeah, he is. He is. I hope he stays on it, I hope it's more than just a hot streak. I hope it's just, like I was saying before about myself, I hope it just becomes the norm. Like I want my floor. I guess my floor right now is what? 12 to 15,000. I did 15,000 last month. I did 9 the month before after having 3 months in a row where I averaged 40 grand. I want my floor to be 40 grand, but we're all on a fucking journey. This sucks, man. I can't believe that I only got that, but whatever. Hey, we fucking won. We banked. You're up 16. Yeah, you're up 16K for the month. He did it in a week. It doesn't matter. You know what I mean? That's the best part. 16K is fucking huge. Yo, that'd be cool seeing him on Top Step TV. Bowser, yeah. Well, what happens is they put you in front of they put the ads, they make you watch them. But like, it's like, bro, when I was running the ads, I made like fucking $7 in a day when I had the ads on my streams. I don't know. I just turned it off. The only reason, like, I'm starting to like, I only did it a couple of times, like turn them on after I get off the live stream and like for the replay. But it's fucking minuscule. But he needs that monetization. They don't though. Tommy, they don't. That's not true because I tested it. Jessica, what's up? How much can you make on a 150K Apex Legacy account a day? As much as you want. But there's a 30% consistency rule, so do the math. Jessica. But Tommy, yeah, dude, I tested it, bro. That's why I had ads on my shit. Do you guys remember when what up, Mikey? I did. Here it is. I pushed it the fuck over. I made up for hitting the daily loss limit on my fucking Tradeify account again. I tested it. So you guys, hot shot, traders each. They removed your profits and they forgot. What did you request? Anthony Jr., what do you mean take profit trader Monday, last day for eval? What do you mean? Oh, be good. Oh, are you talking about yourself? And you have a great weekend as well, Anthony Jr. So Tommy, yeah, I don't know if any of you guys remember, I was running ads on my streams. I was running a test. I said, and people, some people weren't happy with it, and I understand because it's fucking stupid. Like, what if I get into a fucking trade? What if I get into a trade and then, you know what I mean? I get into a trade and then you got to watch a fucking ad and you miss something crazy potentially. So that's why I'm like, it's stupid. It's pointless. But I did it on purpose. I wanted to see if I would get more favor with YouTube because I'm giving them an opportunity to monetize my channel more. And I thought it would help, and it didn't. It didn't do shit. It didn't do anything. That's my data. And I had ads running for like 3 weeks to a month on my streams. 25. I think you, Bowser, I think I'll look. I think you got to get over the, likes, comments, engagement. Yeah, Tommy. Yeah, bro. Maybe it will for you, but it didn't for me. It didn't do anything, bro. It did. It may have even made it worse. But I'm telling you, it fucking did dick. I thought they would be like, oh, we could run ads on his shit. So let's show him more. It wasn't like that at all. Eric J, what up? You need to run an ad every 3 minutes. Yeah, fuck that, bro. Bowser, yeah, any type of engagement. But at this point, I don't even know because YouTube hates me. Let me see. Select flex and select daily payout policies. There's probably a buffer. Here's the daily. 25K you were asking about? Harmonized cacophony. I got a butt plug in right now, bro. YouTube doesn't like people who curse. Yeah, I don't fucking curse. 25. All right, Bowser. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, if I told somebody to suck on my kook the other day, and I got age restricted. So, yeah, so the buffer, let's see, 25K. The buffer system. 1,100 buffer. What's the minimum payout request? Probably 500, right? That's what a lot of them do, except for Take Profit Trader. To be eligible for a payout on any day, you may request up to 2 times the profit earned between each payout request, capped at 600 for a 25K. That's the most you can request is 600 on a daily payout account. It's weird though. Do I even want to fuck? Yeah, I'll leave this on the. I don't even feel like reading that shit. And I'll also post a link. I mean, you might have already read it though. You might have already read it, but I'll post a link for anyone who wants to read it. It's a little confusing. Where's the fucking... Oh, I did it. Or you could just trade a rapid end of day. And fucking... The minimum is you have to be $500 over the buffer. You get the rapid end of day with the best fucking code, ZERODAYJAY, and your chances of getting a payout and getting daily payouts skyrockets over that bullshit club shit. Tommy, they got fucking AI. They fucking all over us, man. Yeah, but yo, Black Magic. How did I get to 300? How was I sitting over 300 in concurrence all the time? And I was cursing the whole fucking time since day one. Since day one, cursing people out, cursing at the market. All of a sudden, YouTube changed their tune. I got fucking attacked. I was targeted by someone who wanted to basically make my channel go away. and I was getting hammered with bots. And then I got hammered with fake subscribers. And then I moved and I got this fucking pod. And I used to turn the lights on in here. And when you turn the lights on, the fan runs and it's loud as fuck. And it makes it sound like I'm in a fucking airplane. And I think all of that combined together and combined with a bunch of other people starting channels and streaming at the same time, or people with bigger channels streaming the same time I stream, my numbers basically cut in half. Now they're slowly working back up. Like, I'm looking forward to, I think I'm like a month or two away from getting back over 200 people on the stream. Gaza, yeah, I guess. It's weird. But I'm not even in this account. I just like look what happened. It just died here. Yeah, Black Magics. There's times I get flipped to age restricted. Half the time I get flipped to age restricted, or most of the time I fucking appeal it, and then they but you could curse. You're allowed to curse on fucking YouTube. But you know, I don't know. I've been cursing for fucking years. They'll email you and you'll see it in the app. Why trash Granny? Yeah, exactly. I guess people aren't. I started winning a lot also. All of a sudden I became profitable and had those 3 months and less people watched. Those 3 months where I did 146 grand in payouts in 5 months, in 4.5 months really. And 120 of it was in fucking 3 months. You would think more people would come to watch and tune in to see what you're doing. And it was the opposite. Value, what up? If I go 18 plus, everybody has to log in. Everybody has to like confirm they want to confirm to watch. So that'll be a turnoff also. Holy Earth, yeah. Anytime I'm tilting, YouTube fucking tells everybody. Damn. We're just going to be in this zone. Gross. YouTube tells everybody when I'm fucking tilting. Anyway. I'm kind of annoyed I didn't get to trade my, well, I still can, but that's not it. I'm annoyed that I didn't get to trade my trade day accounts. This one's at 1,800. This one's at just under 900. But like we literally did nothing. We're just in a bear flag. You want to see? Hey, here we go. On the house. There's your pole. And there's no perfect way to draw this shit. There's your. Although, did we break it? I mean, you know, we didn't. I could just make it like this. There you go. And we're kind of consolidating right now. What kind of news we got on Monday or next week? Joe, it's fucking September. PMI on Tuesday, the 1st. ADP, non-farm payroll. Factory orders, that's new. I don't remember ever seeing that shit. Beige book, what the fuck is that? PMI. Remember when PMI, this used to be red? That's yellow and orange. And then Friday, so you got the big PMI on Tuesday, and then you got non-farm payroll on Friday. unemployment rate, all this shit. Those are the 2 big days. In terms of earnings, I'm not sure yet. I'll wait for Nao to post that in the Discord, unless she already did. I don't think she has yet. She hasn't yet, but she will. Because she's good like that. More bangers, please. Truck carrying, thank you, Holy Earth. Truck carrying 40,000 pounds of Blue Ribbon beer has been stolen in California. The largest beer heist ever. It's like fucking prohibition all over again. All right, be good, GCTA. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, black magic. Exactly. So, like, I'm not saying that what you're saying is wrong, but there's definitely outliers. Oh, that was also that too. Yeah, literally, Fast Track was sending haters. But like, right before I bought this house, this trailer that I live in, like the summer of what are we in? 2026, the summer of 2025. In 2025, I was in the 300s all the time, every single day. Now, I went down into the 150s and 160s. Now I'm back in the one, like today was a little light, but I expect that because it kind of died off and it's Friday. But plus also, actually, no, it's not Labor Day this week. It's Labor Day next week. But now I'm like hanging around. Like I did over 180. I had 185. That's like the highest I've been in probably in a while. But I've been hanging. I was in the 180s twice in the last week, which is high for me now. Also people fall off, and I'm not doing a good enough job adding more subscribers. So many people have just, they get fed up with it because it's not working for them, and they just stop trading and they stop watching. Or they just get tired of me. They get fatigued with me, for whatever reason. I don't know. I got to do a better job of replacing those people. I'm the only influencer not asking for likes and thumbs. Yeah, I know. I'll tell people to smash the like button for Trevor LeConte, but I'm not begging for it. Maybe I should. You know what I'm saying, Value? I don't know. Maybe I should. Yeah, NFP, the Beijing book. I appreciate it, Value. Because of Trump, manufacturing is fucked in the U.S. Yeah, I mean, very possible. Alfred, if you go to Tradeday and click the plus button in the top left, they add a new tab that has fun. Oh. News. Stocks hot list. Drag and I have to put it somewhere on the dashboard. Here we go. U.S. Energy rig count holds at 588. This looks like it's fucking from Financial Juice. Morning Big Six. European natural gas senior Ukrainian official expects technical talks on Russia's war soon. 4 South American nations sign strategic minerals pact. Explainer. What is Radiant World and why is it in the news? Russia strikes Ukrainian capital with waves of drones. Is Kiev the capital? How do you say it? Kiev? What is the capital of Romania? Ukraine, sorry. It's Kiev. Yeah, they say that, right? But you know what else you're going to see on fucking Instagram and social media? You're going to see people going to the clubs in Kiev and walking the streets. Just how beautiful it is. You're going to see how fucking beautiful it really is. Not a war zone. Anyway, fucking tired of that shit. Oil prices are edging. Oh, the calendar one? Oh. Let's look at the calendar. But am I wrong about earnings? Palo Alto, Pan W. Okay. That's Tuesday. Broadcom went. Oh, damn. Next week's busy. Broadcom, Palo Alto and Broadcom. I'll just wait for Nao because I like when she posted better. But this is cool. You could add this. I guess it's showing you the notable ones. This isn't all the earnings, obviously. And then they had the little moon here. It's cool that they do that they added that. Very cool, actually. This shit ain't fucking moving. Holy fuck. Uh-oh, gold's dropping. Dimitri, yeah, I don't know. I just full tilt. What up? Just ain't right. What am I saying? Just ain't right. What do you think I'm saying? What do I always say about all of this shit that they fucking tell us and put in front of us? Dips and peaks, what up? What do I always say? Maybe this is why YouTube doesn't fucking put me in front of people. 9 to 5, what up? What do I always say about all of it? JK. Well, I don't know where Just Ain't Right went. But I'll tell you guys what I always say. Yeah, it's all fucking bullshit. All of it. I just remember like, why the fuck would Sean Penn go to a fucking bomb, war-ravaged fucking country in their capital to hand somebody a fucking Oscar? Tell me, when have you ever seen senators going to these war-ravaged fucking countries? How come they didn't go to fucking Iraq during the fucking the desert storm and all that shit? They never went. They don't go. They would never. They would never. They just want to send you guys there and your kids. They would never go there themselves. They're fucking cowardly losers. They're fucking losers. It's all a fucking show. Oates, I need to say, I guess my way in and I guess my way out. Yeah, they should they should send their own kids first. Send your own fucking kids first. I still don't want to fucking send any of my fucking people, anybody in my family. Why would I? Why? Because Bibi says so? Fuck that guy. Like, I give a fuck about any shit that goes on in the Middle East. I don't give a fuck. It has nothing to do with me or my family. Anyway. Fighting for a bunch of fucking rich motherfuckers who all they want is more power and more money. But anyway, I just remember when all of this shit like started, and then you see people at the clubs. Same thing in China with the COVID. China was allegedly completely locked down and all this shit, and people were getting fucking like barricaded into their own fucking buildings. Meanwhile, there were people at fucking raves and shit in China too. I believe that there were people in raves more than I believe that people were really getting locked in their own fucking places. Send Barron. Yeah, Harjeet, never. He's too busy banking. He's too busy banking on all of this news for his family. It's just everything is just such fucking bullshit. And everything is so easy to fake now. I could fucking make some crazy looking shit with AI and be like, yeah, this happened. And then have a big following and say, yeah, this happened. How do you know they haven't been using AI against us for fucking years? Yeah, that's the other thing. I'm not allowed to talk about this shit. We're not allowed to talk about this. You got to talk in code. They've been using AI against us for fucking ever. All of that shit, all of the times that you thought Biden was in the fucking White House, he wasn't there. He was at a fucking studio in fucking Georgia. He was at a fake White House. It's all AI. Yeah, exactly. Dude, 60 how I do it. I don't know, man. It's fucking dead. It might happen. It might happen. What's crazy, I have an order that was down here that I canceled that might get filled. Yeah, it wasn't even him. No, it wasn't him. He was dead. The original Biden was dead before the election even ended. He had multiple body doubles. The fucking obvious telltale sign was his ears. And not to mention his signature was completely different. It's not even real. I mean, it's there. But yeah, I mean, everything is bullshit. Also, like, man, I don't want to go down this rabbit hole. I don't want to go down the rabbit hole. How do you know that shit was even built when they said they built it? They're all, yeah, Chris Daly. Yo, they're all 60, bro. They're all criminals. Every single one of them. I can't, Eric, because then less people will fucking see my fucking shit next week. I'll get punished for talking facts. And I don't want to fucking, some people still believe everything they see on the TV and everywhere. I don't want to fucking ruin it for them. 60-hour trader. I mean, they're all fucking criminals. Fallacy. Well, we did bank, but not nearly as much as we could have. But I mean, this was the trade I took right here. I went short. Got shaken out, the usual, and then I missed getting filled on a long with gold before, and then we've just been flatlining. Would I ride crude like I am interested in, I did trade crude. I like crude, but I don't trust crude now. But if you look, I mean, watch this. Well, it didn't even get there. See, like, I noticed that crude will play out with the fibs, but everything is so geopolitically fucking motivated or independent now with crude. It's just not. I don't know. It's not fucking worth it. I'd rather take my chances with NQ. Rangat, what up? That's not a bad day. Could be worse. Could have blown them all. $8:15. Are you talking about 8:15 a.m.? How do you do taxes as a prop trader? Like an independent contractor. Oh, Lisa, what up? I guess, bro. I could have gotten like another fucking 20, 30 points, but that's all I was able to get because I'm a pussy. It's all in the course. It's all in the course. Yeah, yeah. I mean, that might work for some people, but I'm not even in front of my computer at that time. 9 p.m. East, 9 a.m. Eastern is 6 a.m. for me. Yeah, make an LLC pay less in tax. It's tricky though, Dimitri. I'm kind of trapped as an individual on a lot of the firms I trade with. It's actually a fucking mess for me, but whatever. The 9 o'clock MAGA Musketeer, because I'm compile this. I'm not an LLC. Well, I do own a couple of LLCs, but I'm an S corp. I have an S corp, but I also don't use it for everything. And yeah, we are our own. Compile this if you want to go. If you want to talk about like straw man and all that shit. Yeah, we are our own company, but there's obviously more advantages if you have a company put in place. But anyway, um, I don't trade New York City open because I live on the West Coast, and I'd rather lay in bed with my wife. Yeah, I mean, Valio, I mean, you got to be able to, can you back test it? You got to test it for, you got to go back more than just today. 15-minute chart. 9 o'clock. You had Jackson's butthole here. We popped, actually. We popped, and then we went up another fucking 20 something points, and then we dropped because of the news or whatever. I don't know, something happened. It's tricky at that time because you got news, you got data coming out, and then you had this fucking conference. You had like you had all this shit going on. 8:15. For what, a long or a short? I mean, I don't know. 8:15. We dropped 20 points. Or 30, actually almost 40 points. Yeah, we had Jackson's butthole. Oh, if you take the high, you take short. I see what you mean. So you have to, let's go to another day. Thursday. A15. You got the high, then it dropped. You better be ready to lock in gains though. That's Thursday. Wednesday. Yeah, 8:15, it fucking dropped. I can tell you one thing, I'm not waking up at that time to even fucking attempt to trade. So, but if you're around, try it out or keep an eye on it. 8:15. Yeah, I like to see how that behaved in those 15 minutes. What day was that? Monday. Friday. That shit dumped. Look at that. That's interesting. You should literally dedicate. You should dedicate an entire account to that and just tell us how it goes. You know what I'm saying? 8:15. So you would have gone long here. But how do you know that it was going to keep going that way? You just trusting that it's not going to, that it's going to reverse. I got to lock in today. I did lock in, bro. Hey, look, we banked. We banked. Cosmos. I just didn't bank a lot. Annabelle. I do need another coffee. Toy trades tan lines. Charles doing Yash, what up, man? Charles doing nothing but my fucking heart rate is spiking. Amen. Where's everybody coming from? Amen. Testify. Did I say that right? Oh, Tesfay. I probably said that fucking wrong. Let's just be real. Simone. Where's everybody just coming from? Is this all one? What the fuck? Simone Petrie. Everybody just came from somewhere. Michael Gianos, what up? Guys came from hanging out with other streamers. I don't know what just happened. I can tell you it's because I'm using Streamlabs and Streamlabs fucking blows. Sorry, chat. Am I back? Can you see me, guys? Can you see me now? Miss K. Someone said they lost $20. How'd you lose $20? I don't get it. Must have faded me. Must have faded me. Yeah, it's a bunch of fucking I know what we're gonna do here. What's up, Alley Cat? Okay, what up? What up, Al? Yeah, this is awful. Only 6 times. That's insane. Monica. Yeah, it was that kind of day. I'm sorry that happened to you. Chris Daly. Anyway. I wonder if it's just one person doing this or it's a bunch of people. It's fucking wasting my fucking time. All right, be good. Be good, Dimitri. Thank you. You do the same. Marcos, I don't know, man. I don't want to talk about it. Not because I don't want to tell you. Emma. This shit went up 25 fucking points. What a pop. $30 points. 30 fucking points. Didn't see that coming. I mean, I had my orders here. Why couldn't it just drop a little bit more for me? And then do this. It always waits until the fucking end of the day to fucking do something cool. Damn. He signed a commemorative plaque. Coach Singh. Yeah, I locked in another payout. Amazing how it just fucking popped right here. Coach Singh, I guess. I mean, I appreciate that. What's going to happen now? It sucks because I wanted to trade my trade day accounts and I didn't get to. Oh, we broke out of this fucking. I don't trust that completely though. I wanted to trade these, but now I don't get to. Maybe I'll just get a flip day in. Not that it matters. I just want to get a flip day in. Wouldn't mind winning, but I'm literally out of time. I got 15 seconds left to get the fuck out of this or I lose these accounts. Did I get out in time? I don't know. Imagine I fucking lose this account. I'll be so fucking pissed. We'll see. That was stupid. Now it's going to pop. That was like the dumbest shit. Oh, you know what I didn't do? Hold on a sec. I knew I fucking forgot to do something. Fucking stupid fucks. Yeah. All right, cool. Yeah, let's see if you. Yeah, okay. Fucking loser. Fucking loser and your fake fucking comments. Fuck you. Anyway. I totally forgot about that. Ree, what up? You blew 5 accounts within 2 weeks? I blew 5 accounts yesterday on the stream. It's okay, man. You've been doing well. Just pick yourself up and do it again. There it is, bro. You good, man. You're good, bro. It's just, you should know by now, right? You've been doing this long enough. You know it's part of it's part of it. Yeah, Drew. I don't know what it's one person. It was one person spamming the shit out of my fucking channel of the chat. Sometimes you're gonna go through rough patches where you fuck up accounts, and and it's fucking annoying. That's the part. That's the part that's annoying about prop firms. That you put in a lot of work to grow accounts and get them to a payout, and then dumb shit happens and you fuck them up and you got to start all over again. It's fucking annoying, but it's gonna happen. It is part of it. As long as you know it's gonna happen, you also got to remember that you've gotten a lot of fucking payouts and you've gone on fucking tears. So it's nothing that you can't fucking come back from. Just do it again. MB. Yeah, Drew, you know that. Yeah, like it was so obvious that it was just bullshit with those fucking comments. I forgot to fucking, and I responded to some of them like it was a real person, like an idiot. I should have known better. I saw a few, and then they kept coming. I was like, yeah, this is all bullshit. Yeah, Ree, I mean, look what I did again, bro. I hit the daily loss limit twice in the same fucking week with this account. I needed $20 more or 5 more seconds. I would have locked in 3,000 on Monday. Instead, I hit the daily loss limit. And then I got all of that back, and I just needed 300 today. And I fucking did this again. But that didn't stop me from doing this. Look what I did here. One door closed, another one open. The market gave me lemons, or I gave myself lemons, and then I turned them into fucking lemonade, baby. I'm taking $3,236 from these fucks. All right, thank you, Valio. Thanks for sharing that. Miss K, yeah, we all fucking do it. I think Olivier, I think it's at about to end right now. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. You don't lose your accounts anymore like you used to. They just liquidate you. Game over everywhere except for maybe bulenox. You know what I'm saying? Shit happens, bro. I hope you're still here, Ree, because you know the deal. Shit happens. 5 blown accounts in 2 weeks isn't the worst thing in the world. If you were on my stream yesterday, I blew 5 accounts in fucking 10 minutes. Not even. Like a fucking dumb fuck. So, I get it, though. I totally get it. All right, give me a number from 1 to 99. Yeah, yes, exactly. I mean, but that's a lot for him. They were funded accounts that were close to payouts, so that was the difference. Let's see. He said, let's see. Let me just confirm that. He blew 5 accounts within 2 weeks. Yeah, close to payout, but couldn't get the job done. Yeah. Been there so many fucking times. Look at me in this fucking Tradeify account. Although I did take 3 payouts from this account already. I was just trying to get my 4th. And like I just keep fucking running into a fucking wall for whatever reason. But whatever. The show goes on. You just got to keep moving forward. You just got to keep pushing forward. That's all. That's all. No problem, Ree. It's just part of it. Accounts are going to get blown. And some of them are going to get blown in the worst possible fucking way. And at the worst possible time. It just, I can't explain it. It's just the way it is. And a lot of us have been around long enough to know that that's just the way it is. Oh, fuck me. Oh, thank God. I got logged out of fucking Discord on my other laptop. We're going to do one of those. I'll give you guys a choice. The 25K Flex, the $50 account with Lucid, is the 25K Flex with the 600. You have to choose a $600 daily loss limit option. It's a $50 account. Or the Apex 50K intraday with no activation fee, which is $49. Your choice. And I'm only going by the first number you put in. So if you're putting in more than one number, please stop. Because it doesn't matter. And you don't need to put your number in once, guys. Most of you know that. Most of you know that. Compile this. What is that? The 24/7? Isn't that the crypto shit? Yeah, it's the crypto shit. The accounts. I was looking at this yesterday. They fucking suck. $132 for $150 for $1,500 a drawdown. $222 after a discount for $3,000 a drawdown. I'd rather just trade futures. Did you know that you could buy a 10K for $63 with $600 a drawdown? Did you know that you could fucking trade Bitcoin futures with a regular prop firm account that's half the fucking price or less than half the price? This is just to trade crypto, and it's not even on TradeDay. It's on some other shit. I don't even know if you could use Rhythmic. And listen, if you're going to grab an account, one of these accounts, use my code ZERODAYJAY if you want, but I don't recommend them. I recommend trading futures. You don't need to trade that other shit. Unless you want to trade all fucking day, every day. But hey, it's your money. You know what I'm saying? I'm just being honest. I could have said, yeah, they're the fucking best. Use my code. But I don't think they're worth it. You could trade, you could use the same money and just get a crypto account and trade with leverage. It's the same shit, almost. But that's just me. Yeah, you have any of those? Alpha. Bro. Tory Trey's tan lines is funny. They're still going. They're still hanging on. They're still hanging on, chat. Maybe I'll be able to request a pay. I don't know I forgot when my Fund the Futures updates. You know what I'm saying, though? Compile this. It's up to you, though. It's up to you. It's your money. You won a $25K from Ninja Trader competition, but you haven't received it? That's fucked up. Maybe you need to follow up. Nate, no problem. I appreciate it, man. Thank you. Thanks for coming and tuning in and hanging out. It's still at 10 past. I felt like I was AS. I felt like I was waiting longer to request on my builders because of some I don't know. It was fucking weird and annoying. Even when I was getting the original rapid, the fucking intraday rapids, getting payouts on those, I don't know. It was fucking weird. Oh, it's like 24 hours. You can't request with 24 hours or something. Something stupid. But maybe this one will let me because I haven't, it's the first payout I'm taking. But we're going to find out. Yeah, it hasn't updated yet, but it's still early. I'll stick around. Maybe I can request this, for the stream. I'll stay on long enough to be able to I'll try to stay on long enough to be able to do that. If it doesn't happen in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to get off. That's what she said. Yeah, we'll have a fucking payout party. Yeah, a lot. Yeah, they're a CFD. Yeah, because they can do. Yep. I mean, it's cool. Click the promo. Yeah, I think this is with the discount with 40% off. Yeah, DX Trade, MetaTrader. This is the discount you get. And you put my code and you get the same deal. You get the same discount. This is their in-house code. In-house codes oh, this one right here. In-house codes fucking suck. Oh, a $247,000 account for 47 bucks. That's interesting. They have some shit called Forge. You guys know about the Forge shit? Oh, you have to claim it? Claim this account. Profit target 10%. 10% of what? 247,000? So your profit target is $24,000. Is that what that means? Is that what that means? Yeah, I don't know. I'm just going to stick with what I know. But hey, they also have this shit called Forge. They're trying to be like, Top Step with their fucking lab. Now they have Forge. A 300K account for 350. It sold out, but this is what they were offering. The first one was so bad, they came out with a second version of it. And then, now they're waiting to see if they get fucking, it's smart of them to do that, though. Yeah, of course it's doable, bro. Yeah, when you finish, they call you the best trader. Yeah, 3 phases. Well, you have the option, I think. But yeah, that one is multiple phases. Yeah, fuck all that shit, man. I don't know. I'm okay. I'm good. Let's see when I can fucking request the shit. But we got to do the number. All right. 24/7 though. Futures isn't open 24/7. It's like foreign. Is it forex and shit? Yeah, I ain't fucking with that. A lot of it was like crypto. I'm good on that. All right. 3, 2, 1, good luck. 55. Who has 55? Anybody? Nobody. Wow. You would think someone would have that number. Sean, you did, Sean? Hold on a sec. The fuck? Oh, wait, you didn't even put a number in yet. Hey, bro. You had me looking for it. You guys. 3, 2, 1, good luck. 40. Who had 40? Anybody? Nobody had 40 either. Oh, my God. Now I'm going to make you guys wait for me to get more coffee. Now I need more coffee for sure. 40, shorty. Clinville, I have 37. That's cool. I hope you win. I hope 37 comes up next. Maybe while I'm getting my coffee, I can request this payout. Yeah. Again, also. Oh, where'd you find it? It was the last. You're the best. You are numero uno. Let's see. Not yet. Maybe soon. Oh. It's too hot and too full to bring up yet. Oh, see that? There's 10 after 2. See it? Give me my money. I might have to wait until Tradeday updates. Oh, you fuck. I slipped. I spilled coffee.
Slipped?
It like slipped on my fingers. Uh-oh. Sorry, chat. You're going to have to wait a little longer for me to flip this giveaway. I just made a mess with my coffee. Whoopsie. Let's refresh again. We're having a refresh. We're having a payout request refresh party over here. All right. Maybe on this one, maybe 3 times is a charm for someone to win this giveaway. Because so far we spun or drew 2 numbers and nobody won. Coach Fred. Nice. Hell yeah. ZERODAYJay. What did I get in the My Fun the Futures Club? I don't even know. Fuck that shit. I mean, take advantage of whatever's in there, but they made it so that the deals in there are better than you using somebody's code like mine. I'm kind of annoyed about that. They let me send all these people there, and now they're fucking undercutting me. You know what I mean? Anyway, so it's a little fucking annoying. Let's hit refresh. Thanks for sending all these people here, Jay. Now go fuck yourself. That's basically what happened. Anyway, let's do this again. Coach Singh, absolutely. I'm not opening it on the stream. Fuck no. 3, 2, 1. Good luck. I'm not a proponent of that shit. But if you're gonna get a better deal, obviously I'm a proponent of using whatever code gets you the best fucking deal. Just know that any code but mine doesn't have as good of a fucking pass rate or payout rate. Hell yeah, Desmond. Good shit, bro. Anybody have 79? Don't tell me no one has 79 either. How is that even possible? You guys, if no one wins next time, I'm gonna rug pull the giveaway. Having a 69 later. Yeah, they put their code in first. They fucking default their in-house dog shit code. It's just disrespectful. That's all. I don't like that shit. But that's fine. If I stop talking about them completely, you'll know why. Anyone who's on right now. I'm shutting down the studio. I'm telling you, somebody better fucking win right now. 3, 2, 1, good luck. 37. Oh, Clinvale. Hold on a second. No way. Hey, Clinvale. Hey. Congratulations. Hit me up. You know how to reach me. Your choice. 25K, the $50 25K flex, or the $49. I don't know if you want to. I know you're kind of. I don't know if you're trading with Apex anymore, so I guess it doesn't matter for you. Manifest it hard, but hit me up. Grab the account. You know, take a screenshot of the fucking your proof of payment, and then Zelle, PayPal, Cash App. Yeah, I remember all of that. Well, fuck them then, right? All right, let's see. You guys, listen. Let me tell you something about in-house codes at any prop firm. Their codes are bad juju. They fucking blow. I'm not saying to just use mine, whatever, anybody's code. But when they default and pre-populate the fucking coupon code field with their in-house code, erase it and put anybody else's code in there. The Talladega plan. That's from Fast Track. That's the plan I was begging them to fucking create, but they never did. See, look, I don't know if AS is still here. See, it's 5:17, and I still can't request. TJP, what's good? Yeah, see, I knew it. I just had a feeling I wasn't going to be able to request. You know what's going to happen? I'm going to get off the stream, and then 2 minutes later, I'll be able to request. Yeah, Clinvale fell for it. Yeah, 520. You know what? Yeah, see, that's what I thought, too. I used to be able to request. Yo, there have been times I requested on the stream while I was streaming, 508, 509. But lately, it's been later. And I think it has something to do with Tradeday because all of them are later. Hell yeah, TJP. Hell fucking yeah, man. Good shit. We love to see it. I'm trying to fucking request. Yeah, we'll do one more. We'll do one more. One more giveaway. 3, 2, 1, good luck. Number 3. I see people with numbers that have a 3 in it, but it's not just the number 3. Ooh. Ooh. Nope. There's a lot of 3s, though. Yep. All right. Emma did? Oh, hold on a sec. Really? Sorry. If you did, I apologize. I just have to confirm that. And I'm probably saying your name wrong. Oh, yeah, there it is. I'm probably saying your name wrong because when I look at your channel, it's like Emanel. So is it like, is it, not that it matters, Emma Nell, or is it like Emanel? Emanel. I don't know. I butcher people's names all the time, so I apologize. But remember, your choice of the $50 Lucid Flex is a 25K. You have to select the $600 DLL option or a all-in $49 50K intraday, no activation fee Apex account. Your choice. Just use my code, please, when you grab it. Send me a screenshot, and I'll pay you back with your choice of Cash App, PayPal, or Zelle. All right? Let's see if I can fucking request this. It's 20 after. Let's do it for the stream. Oh, my God. See, that's what I'm saying. See, I'm telling you. Stats. This one right here. Net profit, 53.36. Let me fucking request, brah. Let me request. I guess it's not happening. I'll post it in the Discord. Oh, and if you're not yet in the Discord, here's the link to join. It's the best fucking community anyway. It's free for now. Once I come out with this fucking $65 tan line course, 99% off from Tory Trades, and my fib course, I might make it paid. We'll see though. I doubt it. I'm only kidding. But anyway, here's the link to join the Discord. You got to hit me up in there. Ah, Coach Singh. Hell yeah. Yeah, cut. Thanks again for hitting the super chat and fucking great job. Wild Jay, that sucks, man. I'm really sorry to hear that. That's like the worst. That's like the worst shit having to do that, man. It's the worst. There's a link for the Discord, by the way. One more time for the road. Hey, we can request. ZERODAYJay here. It's Friday, August 28th, and I'm about to request a fatty, boom batty of a payout from My Fund the Futures. on one of these rapid end of day plans. What did I do on the day? 3,474 today. I did 1,800 and change yesterday. Do the math, and that's how you get to 5,336. And I can request down to the buffer, and that's exactly what the fuck I'm about to do. All of it. I'm even going to request the 36 cents. You know why? Because fuck them, that's why. Oh, I did $35.99. I got to do it again. All right, so we're going to request 32, 36, and 35 cents. And what I end up with after fees is $2,912. Use the best code ZERODAYJAY because it's the best code if you're going to grab some accounts there. I think with my code, you get 50% off. My Fund of Futures. Anyway, guys, I'm going to bounce. Congratulations to the winners. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. This puts me at over 12,000 for the month, by the way. I don't know the exact math. I don't feel like doing it now. It's late. But thanks for hanging out. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell. Hit me up if you won. I'll talk to you soon. Enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy your weekend. Peace.